Remember when side hustles felt exciting? Now it's like, wow, look, another person selling the same Notion template with the same aesthetic font and the same beige mood board. It's not that everyone got uncreative, it's that AI made replica culture the default and the internet got boring. So the people winning now, they're the ones with opinions. Here's the wild part. AI didn't destroy opportunity. It exposed what was actually scarce online. Copying was once enough. Now, copying just blends you into the noise. So if you want to stand out today, you can't rely on templates, automation, or generic hacks. You need something AI can't replicate: your perspective. Think about it like this. Two people launch the same $10 per month micro tool. One says, this helps you manage your tasks. The other says, I built this to stop my inbox from giving me anxiety at 3 p.m. on Fridays. One sounds like a Wikipedia entry. The other, it clicks, it resonates, it attracts the right people naturally. That's the difference between blending in and actually building something people pay for. And it's why the creators we feature on this channel aren't AI geniuses or tech prodigies. They're just people who see things a little differently and package it in a simple, usable form. AI can generate content. AI can draft emails. AI can even build basic tools. But AI can't. Notice the quirks everyone ignores. Make weird observations people actually relate to. Say something that feels authentic to one person's experience. And in 2025, that's exactly what the internet rewards. Point of view over polish. Here's why this matters for anyone starting online. You don't need to code. You don't need a huge audience. You don't even need a fully finished product. All you need is an observation others missed, a perspective on how things could be done differently, a way to share it clearly online. That's literally the same skill used by micro digital businesses everywhere. $10 per month subscriptions, single-page digital products, tiny tools that solve one friction point, but with personality. It's not about the problem you fix, it's about how you frame it. Your viewpoint is the differentiator. That's your leverage in a world where AI can copy anything else. And here's the kicker most beginners miss. You don't have to invent the next billion-dollar platform. You don't need a revolutionary tool. You don't need to beat AI at its own game. You just need to notice something unique in your world. Package it so it feels like your perspective. Share it online. Even a single-page product or $10 per month subscription can snowball if it connects through point of view instead of generic usefulness. So yes, AI broke the easy money internet, but it also reset the rules. Copying doesn't work. Speed doesn't matter. Effort alone isn't rewarded. Instead, the new advantage is seeing differently, framing differently, sharing differently. And that's where Cecina lives, highlighting micro online businesses that aren't about coding skills, marketing hacks, or solving huge problems. They're about turning perspective into a product. The tools are just packaging. The perspective is the asset. So if you're watching this thinking, I don't know what to sell, I'm not creative, good. That means you're noticing the gap. And the gap is exactly where opportunity lives today. Start by asking, what's odd in my world? What do people overlook? How do I do it differently? Show that, package that, share that. And suddenly, you're not competing with AI, you're standing out in a world full of copies. Cecina, out.